Scope of Android pen testing. In this video, we are going to take a look at Android pen testing scope, that what is the scope of Android pen testing and what is the procedure to perform penetration testing on Android machine. So let's start with the scope and process of Android pen testing. So scope of penetration testing means cover the focus area. So what are the focus area inside penetration testing? The process of Android pen testing has 3 steps: information gathering, vulnerability assessment, and penetration testing. So let's discuss about it. First of all, information gathering. Information gathering about Android machine is basically gathering information about the application, that what kind of application it is, right? How it works. That we need to understand first of all before performing penetration testing. That is called footprinting or information gathering, which is step 1. Second is vulnerability assessment. Vulnerability assessment means, first of all, perform various attacks on that particular Android application. List all the loopholes available in the application, right? That is called vulnerability assessment. So we need to analyze that Android application, that what are the vulnerabilities available inside it, and then we need to create a list, right, so that we can perform penetration testing according to those vulnerabilities which we have found inside vulnerability assessment step. That is called second step. Third is penetration testing. Penetration testing means basically what you have got in the second step, means in vulnerability assessment step, you need to check that these vulnerabilities are actually available inside that Android application or not, right? You need to check, for example, if you got 10 vulnerabilities inside that application, so you need to check one by one that actually, for example, SQL injection attack. So SQL injection attack is actually available inside Android machine or not. So that we need to check. And if it is confirmed that actually SQL injection attack is available, it means the report is correct. Vulnerability assessment report is correct, right? So in pen testing, we need to finalize that what are the actual vulnerabilities available in the Android application, so that we can list them and then we can perform further attacks on that particular vulnerabilities in the Android application. So these 3 steps are really important inside penetration testing: scope and process. If we talk about the section summary, what we have learned in this section. So first of all, we have learned about Android Studio, that how you can download Android Studio and install it inside your machine. Then we have learned about Android pen testing setup. And then what is the process of Android pen testing, that we have also covered in this section. This is all about the section. And in the next section, we are going to learn about Android pen testing, analyze log files and find secret information. Thank you so much for your time.